Hello viewers, this is Google Pixel 6, a subject in natural light, outdoor. Capture a person or object under warm yellow indoor light. Record walking through a park or street, check stabilization and audio quality. Check white balance and noise level. Take a photo of a flower or textured surface up close. Focus on fine detail and texture, sharpness. Outdoor scene with sky, greenery, and depth. Look for HDR performance, detail in shadows and highlights. Capture a photo of a scene with both bright sunlight and deep shadows, e.g., sunlight through trees, a window scene. See how well HDR balances exposure. Get very close, about 3 to 5 inches, to an object like a flower, fabric, or food. Focus on tiny textures. Look for detail sharpness and focus accuracy. Capture the sky during golden hour, sunset, or sunrise. Include clouds, sun glow, and horizon. See how well the camera handles gradients and contrast.